Imagine doing half your work with AI help, drafting, analyzing, designing, all inside Microsoft 365. Well, now you can with Microsoft 365 Premium. Let's walk through what's new and which features you should be using now. Microsoft 365 Premium Bundles. Copilot with AI features across Word, Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It matters because you get real productivity gains for a single subscription instead of juggling add-ons. If you work remote, study on the go, or collaborate daily, this is built for you. Let's start with a challenge every professional knows: the blank page. Whether it's a crucial proposal in Word or a client email in Outlook, that blinking cursor can be intimidating. This is where new AI writing assistants, deeply integrated into Microsoft 365, fundamentally changes the game. First up is auto drafting. This feature turns a simple prompt into a comprehensive first draft. Instead of starting from scratch, you can instruct the AI, draft a quarterly business review based on our Q3 sales data, focusing on key wins and challenges. In seconds, Word generates a structured document. The same magic works in Outlook. A prompt like, draft an email to the team welcoming our new hire, Jane Doe, instantly produces a warm, informative message. It's not about replacing your thinking, it's about giving you a powerful head start. Once you have that draft, the AI becomes your collaborative partner in refining it. If a section feels underdeveloped, simply ask Copilot to expand on the point. Conversely, if you're being too wordy, you can instruct the AI to shorten a paragraph or summarize the entire document. This is incredibly useful for executive summaries. For remote teams drowning in long email threads, the ability to extract action items is a lifesaver. With a single click, the AI scans the text and generates a clean, actionable to-do list, clarifying who is responsible for what. Beyond structure, the AI helps you master the nuances of tone, which is critical in digital communication. Have you ever worried an email sounded too blunt? Now you can simply rewrite it. Select your text and choose from a range of tonal adjustments. Transform a direct message into one that's more friendly and approachable. Or, take a casual team update and instantly elevate it to a formal, professional tone, suitable for senior leadership, ensuring your message always lands with the precise impact you intend. The AI also serves as an ever-present editor, enhancing clarity and promoting inclusivity. It flags convoluted sentences, suggesting simpler phrasing to ensure your message is easily understood. Furthermore, in our global workplaces, inclusive language is essential. The AI actively identifies and suggests alternatives for non-inclusive language, like gendered terms or biased phrases. It's like having a communications expert by your side, helping you build a more respectful communication style. For those who think faster than they type, voice dictation gets a massive intelligence boost. The new system understands natural speech so you can pause to gather your thoughts without the transcription breaking. It also intelligently adds punctuation based on your vocal inflection. In a meeting, it can even differentiate between speakers, automatically adding speaker tags to the live transcript, making reviews more efficient than ever. Finally, you can turn a quick informal voice note into a polished email. Picture this. You're away from your desk and need to send a follow-up. Just record a quick thought. Email the project team, remind them the deadline is next Friday, and attach the mock-ups. The AI takes your conversational memo, structures it into a professional email, refines the tone, and even suggests several relevant subject lines. It's a seamless workflow that transforms scattered ideas into effective communication. For many of us, especially in a remote work environment, Microsoft Excel is our digital command center. It's where we track projects, manage budgets, and analyze performance. But let's be honest, navigating its vast sea of functions and formulas can often feel like a bottleneck to genuine productivity. The more data we have, the more time we spend wrangling it, rather than understanding it. What if Excel could do the heavy lifting for you? That's precisely the promise of its new integrated AI capabilities, designed to turn your natural language into powerful data insights. It all starts with formula generation. Forget hunting for the right syntax or nesting complex functions. You can now make requests in plain English. Instead of just a simple sum, you can ask complex, multi-part questions. The AI doesn't just give you one answer. It often proposes several formula options, explaining the logic behind each one. This empowers you to choose the best approach for your specific needs, turning a 10-minute research task into a 10-second decision. One click, and the correct, perfectly formatted formula is inserted, populating your cells instantly. This dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for sophisticated data modeling, but the real magic happens when you move beyond calculation and into analysis. With a massive table of raw data, finding the story within can be daunting. The Analyze Data feature acts as your personal data scientist. Simply select your data range, and the AI proactively surfaces key trends, patterns, and even anomalies that you might have otherwise missed. It automatically generates insightful pivot tables and charts, giving you an instant overview of what your data is trying to tell you. It's incredibly adept at spotting outliers and, more importantly, providing context. It might flag a sudden dip in sales and cross-reference it with other potential business events, offering a plain English hypothesis for you to investigate. For a remote analyst, this is like having a collaborator in the room, pointing out where to focus your attention. It also identifies recurring seasonality, confirming business cycles, or revealing new ones, allowing for more accurate forecasting. This conversational intelligence extends to creating presentation-ready visuals. Describe the exact chart you envision, no matter how specific. The AI parses your request and builds a polished, clean visual from scratch. All the tedious formatting is done for you. Labels, legends, titles, and color schemes. And it's an iterative process. Don't like the colors? Just ask the AI to change them. Need a different chart type? Just tell it. This transforms the slow, manual process of data visualization into a fast, creative dialogue. Finally, the workflow from analysis to communication is seamless. The AI can even summarize its own findings for you, generating concise bullet points perfect for an email or presentation. Then, you can export your charts and summaries directly to a PowerPoint slide or a Word document without ever leaving your spreadsheet. For remote teams, this streamlined process is invaluable, ensuring that critical insights are shared quickly, clearly, and professionally, bridging the gap between raw data and impactful decisions. Start with template suggestions tailored to your topic and tone. Themes, fonts, and colors align automatically. Generate photoreal images to match your narrative directly inside your deck. Designer refines layout, spacing, and hierarchy so slides look professional. You can even draft speaker notes to guide delivery. Voice-to-text captures ideas fast, whether you type, speak, or write by hand. Summaries extract decisions, deadlines, and action items from messy notes. Everything syncs across devices, so your notes are always with you. Premium adds generous cloud storage, advanced Defender protections, and data loss safeguards. You get malware filtering, link checking, and account alerts integrated. Compared to older plans, premium bundles Copilot level AI plus enterprise-grade security in one tier. So we've seen what this AI can do, but that brings us to the million-dollar question. Or more accurately, the monthly subscription question. Is it actually worth upgrading? Let's talk numbers. A subscription to an enterprise-grade AI assistant like Copilot for Microsoft 365 typically costs around $30 per user per month. Your first reaction might be to see that as just another expense. But the real question is, what is your time worth? If you value your work at, say, $50 an hour, you only need to save about 36 minutes over the entire month for the subscription to pay for itself. Think about the last time you spent an hour trying to format a PowerPoint presentation, or an hour trying to write the perfect formula in Excel. If an AI can give you that hour back, you're already coming out ahead. When you consider tasks like drafting a 10-page report from a simple outline, or analyzing thousands of rows of data for key trends, the AI isn't just saving you minutes, it's saving you entire afternoons. In that context, the subscription doesn't just pay for itself, it generates a significant return on investment. But you don't need to save a huge chunk of time all at once for it to be valuable. The real magic happens in the small, daily wins. Let's do some quick math. If this AI saves you just 15 minutes every day, that's over an hour each week. Over a month, you've reclaimed 5 full hours. If you save 30 minutes a day, that's 10 hours a month. Suddenly, that $30 subscription fee looks like you're paying just $3 an hour for a tireless, brilliant assistant. What could you do with an extra 5 or 10 hours a month? You could invest that time in strategic planning, learn a new skill to advance your career, or simply end your workday on time and be more present with your family. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about reclaiming your focus and your time for what truly matters. So, who is this for? The upgrade is a no-brainer if your work revolves around creating documents, emails, spreadsheets, or presentations. Imagine you're a project manager. The AI can help you draft status reports in Word, track budgets, and identify risks in Excel, and instantly generate a stakeholder presentation in PowerPoint from all that data. Or perhaps you're in sales. You can use it to personalize outreach emails at scale, analyze sales figures to find your best leads, and create compelling pitch decks in minutes, not hours. The common thread is volume and complexity. If you live in these apps, the AI becomes an indispensable partner. Furthermore, and this is critical, you should upgrade if you handle any kind of sensitive or confidential information. Using a free public AI tool for work is like shouting your company's secrets in a crowded room. An enterprise-grade tool like Copilot for Microsoft 365 is built on a foundation of security and privacy. Your data, your prompts, and your company's information stay protected within your own secure environment. That peace of mind alone can be worth the price of admission. On the other hand, who should maybe hold off? If your use of these applications is light and infrequent, perhaps you only write a few internal emails a day and rarely touch spreadsheets or presentations, the value proposition is less clear. In this case, it might be smarter to wait. You can continue using the free versions of AI for non-sensitive tasks. Then, when a major project lands on your desk, a critical business proposal or a company-wide presentation, you can consider upgrading for that specific period to give yourself an AI-powered boost. It's about making a strategic investment in your productivity, right when you need it most. My personal favorite feature is Excel's Explain with instant charts that drop right into PowerPoint. Which Microsoft 365 Premium feature excites you most? If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.